Rocky और रानी की प्रेम कहानी leaked. The years much awaited movie Rocky और रानी की प्रेम कहानी, starring Alia Bhatt and Ranveer Singh, has finally hit the screen today, July 28th. It marks Alia and Ranveer's second collaboration after 2019's Gully Boy. Meanwhile, filmmaker Karan Johar, with this film, completes 25 years in the entertainment industry and has also donned the hat of director after 7 years. His last full-fledged directorial was Aai Dil Hai Mushkil. As fans eagerly waited to witness Dharma Productions' grandeur and the lead actor's magic on screen, unfortunately, the movie has been leaked online. Alia Bhatt and Ranveer Singh's starrer rom-com Rocky or Rani Ki Prem Kahani trailer received great appreciation from the fans. Promotions and songs, adding more expectations to it. The movie has been creating huge buzz all over, and the film has remained in the headlines ever since the announcement was made. However, it is the latest film to have fallen victim to piracy, and as per reports, it can now be found on numerous illegal websites and Telegram channels. Within a few hours of its release, Rugpak had made its way to illegal websites and was available for users to download for free. The film quickly found its way onto many unauthorized platforms in HD prints, such as iBoma, Filmizilla, 123 Movies, FilmiWap, Online Movie Watches, 123 Movie Rules, Telegram, Tamil Rockers, and others. On the other hand, the Rocky or Rani Ki Prem Kahani pirated version is also available in different quality for download, like 1080p, 720p, 480p, 360p, and 240p. The film is now being distributed on numerous illegal websites that support privacy. While it won't be the first time that a film or series has been leaked, such acts of piracy pose an immense threat to the filmmaking business and lead to substantial financial losses as they make the content easily accessible for people.